How to adjust and edit past attendance records. Welcome to our training session on managing and updating attendance hours for both staff and students. Make sure you have admin access before you start. We will first look at how to adjust staff hours. Ensure you are in the staff module. Locate the staff member whose attendance you need to update. Once in their profile, select the Attendance tab. Find the specific date you wish to edit. You can modify the check-in and check-out times by clicking on the pencil icon. Once you've made your changes, confirm by selecting the green check mark. Records, such as moves, can be deleted if necessary. You'll receive a warning about the impact on attendance history, allowing you to decide accordingly. You can also modify final checkout times. Make your adjustments accordingly. Adjust the time and, if desired, include a note such as "Forgot to sign out." Confirm your changes with the green check mark, and you'll see a success message if updated correctly. To modify child attendance, use the Families module. Select the child whose hours you need to update. Go to their Attendance tab and locate the date to edit. Adjust the hours in the same way by changing the sign-in or sign-out time as needed. Click Save to apply changes. Remember, only admin can edit these records. Any changes made will be updated in the attendance records and within the attendance reports module. Thank you for joining this session, and be sure to explore our other training videos for more insights.